For the repair of the MPMI PCB card by Hyundai, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use 24-volt DC power supply. When we turn the power supply, the unit reacts accordingly and we can see the LED indicator lights up. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the BMPMI PCB card by Hyundai is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.